Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stabilize video in CapCut. Maybe you're vlogging or recording a regular video and your hands are shaking. Now I'm going to show you how you can solve that problem. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First you need to check is your app updated. Is not simple, go on App Store or Play Store and update the app. After that go on CapCut app and add now project. I recorded this video for the purpose of this tutorial. Now you need to select the video you add on layer. So when you do that, you will see on the bottom of the page list with tools, and you need to scroll to right and find stabilize button, and then click on it. Now you can see this little slide of intensity for stabilize. CapCut have a 3 options to stabilize video, has options for minimal cropping, recommended, most stable. If you are set a most stable options, CapCut will cropping a lot of your video. I will recommended your recommended options. And when you do that, wait a couple of seconds to CapCut loading that change, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.